going to be showing all my slimes. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you my oldest to my newest. So, anyways, I got this purple slime. I added way too much shaving cream, and I wanted to make it buttery, so I added some, and now it's just really bad. It's really wet too. I don't like it. I'm gonna put that back. Oh no. Ugh. Ugh. Oh, there we go. Ew, my hands are all. Ugh. Yeah, that one's kind of gross. But I mean, I would start with my first ever one, but that one we had to throw away. Because I think it got a bit dry, but it was a clear slime. Yeah, and it had glitter and stuff. And then this one, yeah. This one, I mean, it's kind of the same, except it's not that bad, because my mom tried to fix it. Not too bad. Anyways, so that's it for that one. I'll put that back in there. And now I'm going to go on to my favorites. So this one is the newest because, again, my mom fixed it. It was one of my what is it? White slimes, and it's the other ones are kind of sticky. So she just fixed it like this. Here, one sec. There we go. It's really cool. And yeah. Kind of obsessed with it. And also, oh, there it is. Ooh. Sorry about that. Let me fix the camera. No. I'm gonna do that. This one. Right? My camera keeps on trying to slip, but it's also buttery because my mom added Daiso clay. So yeah, that's it for that one. It's in a Tostitos thing, not sponsored. And here's my other slime. It's invisible, and so yeah. Anyways, let's move on to this slime. This is one of my sticky slimes. I still kind of like it. Toshi, please stop. Super clicky. A little bit underactivated. Because activator won't help it for some reason. And it's a really tiny bit, but don't worry. I got some more in the other bottles. So yeah. And here's another one. I think she fixed this one, but still super clicky. No, I don't think she fixed this one. It's really thin for some reason. It wasn't like this last time. Yeah, I don't think she fixed this one. I really like it though. It's kind of jiggly. Not very, but yeah. Anyways. Put that back. And finally, here is another slime that I don't think she fixed this one either. I'm not blaming her, but you know. This one I also really like. I think I'm probably gonna play with these after the video. But yeah. So which one do you think is your favorite slime? So, yeah. Peace.